Go ahead.
So, Grandma, you want to hear what my status says?
She's very low maintenance. What is that supposed to mean?
Grandma?
Maintenance is misspelled.
Grandma?
What?
You want to hear what my status says?
Feel that
What is he
fill
saying?
in.
I don't know what that is.
You don't seem to need anybody around, so
Maybe I haven't had a choice.
You want to hear what my status says?
every day so I can make the good money.
Okay, my turn.
You want to hear what my status says? Grandma,
What?
you want to hear what my status says?
I'm watching this. Wait. Oh my God! Look at this, Stephanie.
Welcome.
Which one, the TV or the book?
Loves my son.
Do you want to hear what my status says?
That's true. Last but not least,
Do you want to hear what my status says?
What?
is a multimillionaire.
My status says you,
I don't
me,
understand.
a bedroom, all night long. You know where I'm going with this. Oh yeah. I want to play games all night long. Laugh my ass off.
A little bit early. You may have noticed that I've been doing a
Who
lot of
wrote that?
texting and
Me.
phone calling.
Why?
Well,
I don't know.
wasting my time here. I closed a huge deal with Grant Lockley.
Do you love me?
As you know, he's been trying to develop the entire block.
You love me.
He's got all
I know you love me.
on board. You are the only one.
Quit ignoring.
And
And I use
Stop
that as a
ignoring me.
to pay top dollar. Your little store.
Steve,
That is 3.5 million, Sam.
Precious.
Holy!
Oh yeah, the dog don't ignore me. The dog don't ignore me. Why do you? Why do you ignore me? All I do is love you.
Well, you can say yes.
We'll
I
dance.
to process this. It's a really big decision. You know, the store's
Stop
been
ignoring.
for a long
See
time.
this thing that got on? I got your grandpa.
I thought you was watching TV.
Look, see this? I got your grandpa Holbrook's picture. I found it.
That is
Your mother don't give me back my 5 pictures. I'm gonna kick her ass.
Just remember,
She didn't
you and
take them
I,
to get
we
them.
can have our own